Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm trying on some new fall pieces from Dokotoo. So I'll be sharing some styling tips so you can see just how versatile these pieces are. So before I get started, make sure you click on the link for Dokotoo. It's in the description box. You don't want to miss out on any of these pieces that I am about to show you. So let's get into the video. So I think that these outfits are so perfect for the fall season. A few pieces for like if you're lounging around, if you're going to work. Okay, so let's get into the first piece. This is so adorable. This is the fleece zip-up coat. As you can see, I needed a fleece zip coat, and I love how this zippers all the way down. Like, you know how some fleece they stop like right here, so I really love that. I styled it over a workout set, which I feel like is so ideal for these chilly fall mornings, and I just started taking Pilates, so I feel like this came right in time. You can wear it on your way to the gym, you can wear it anywhere. I mean, like, I feel like this is just the perfect throw on fleece for the fall, and you can see how I styled it here with some leggings, since I know that I will be wearing this when I'm on my way to Pilates. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Wow, I love this. So this is the oversized slouched cardigan. I got it in the color brown just because I feel like it's so perfect for the fall. I think that is so easy to throw on with a pair of sweats or jeans or tights. As you can see here, I styled it with my favorite cream sweats, and I fell in love with this outfit. What? Are you serious? Look at how perfect the colors just go with each other. The quality of this is amazing. So of course I decided to pair it with some jeans just so you can see how versatile this piece really is, and I think that this is definitely going to be a fall favorite for me. Let's see what we have next. Wow, oh my goodness. So this is the soft knit sweater. It's really lightweight. It doesn't have that itchy feel to it at all, which is perfect because I hate when a sweater is so itchy. But this doesn't feel itchy at all, and as you can see in the video, I paired it with a pleated skirt. I know that the pleated skirt look is in with the sweater, and I thought that this would be so perfect for the fall. I just love how it goes so perfect with the skirt. You can do so much with this. I also paired it with a pair of jeans because I love wearing sweaters with jeans. That's just me. I'm definitely a sweater and jean girly, so I paired it with a pair of jeans, dark wash, because I thought it would just go so perfectly with this dark and gold color. This look was so cute, and I cannot wait to wear this out. Guys, we have so many goodies in this box. I'm just trying to get through it all. Okay, so the next piece, if you are like me, you love a cardigan in the fall, guys. I am obsessed with this cardigan. Cardigan girl, I will throw on a cardigan. I will wear a cardigan all fall, like really. I just feel like cardigans are so versatile, and I really love this cardigan. I love the color of it. I love the feel of it. It's nice and soft. Feels like a blanket, guys. Like, it feels so soft. As you can see, I paired it with some jeans, and I also put a cream top under it. I just love how it looked, how it blended in so well. The front is open, and I really like that because sometimes you want to just have it open, and then it can kind of showcase the shirt that you have under it. Okay, and then we have this top. I really love this. Love how you can pair this with jeans. You can pair this with so many different things. It's very colorful. I paired it with a pair of slacks. I love slacks. I love slacks for the fall. And then I went ahead and paired it with the pleated skirt. I'm really loving this look. I really love this look for the fall. I think it complements the pleated skirt so well. Okay, and we have one more item, so let's see. Wow. So this is the two-piece ribbed lounge set, guys. Wow, it feels so soft. Oh my goodness, I want to put it on right now. So I grabbed a set because I love two-piece sets for the fall. I think that it is so simple and easy to grab when you just have to run out, you want to go to do groceries, you want to run your errands, like whatever you feel like you have to do and you don't want to put a lot of effort and thought, but you still want to look put together and cute. Get a two-piece set, okay? So that is the reason why I love them, and I really love two-piece sets for the fall. I want to be comfortable. I don't want to feel I'm restricted. I want to feel comfy. So that's what I love most about two-piece sets, and this set is hitting it right on the nose with the comfort. Okay guys, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, talk to me in the comments. Let me know which piece was your favorite. Let me know how you would style it. Let me know what videos you would like to see next. That notification, and I will see you in the next video.